Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT, and I'm back with another video. I have no idea where I need to be looking. Recording off a new device today, so excuse me if I'm not looking directly in the screen. Where is the camera? Anyways, what's up to my old loves? Thanks so much for coming back. I appreciate it so much. You guys are awesome and I love you so much. To anybody who is watching this video is not subscribed yet, I please ask you to subscribe to the channel. Help me grow this channel. I appreciate it so much. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So this video is going to be my current phase. I normally do monthly fave videos, but I haven't done one quite in a while because I've been pretty much using the same products. But I want to just do a current phase of things that I'm loving at this moment. Still pretty much loving everything that I've been loving, but wanted to add these in. But let's hop right into my current faves, okay? And so lately I have been like a foundation, I don't know what's going on with me. I have just been going crazy about foundations. I want to buy so many, but I literally have about maybe 8 foundations at this time, and I need not buy any more until I finish the ones that I got. But the ones that I have been loving at this time is the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation. I have it in the color Mocha. This is not my skin color. This is the darkest that I have been able to find in my town, which is very unfortunate. Excuse how it looks, because yeah, it definitely is a white top and it gets tore up. But I do have that on today. I have that. What I do to mix it to get my right color is I mix it with my of course I can't find it right in front of my face. It's my CoverGirl Queen True Ebony. I mix it and with that, the natural hue one, because it's a little darker than the regular CoverGirl Queen. And as you can see, love how it looks. As far as lasting 24 hours, I would know, but it does last very long and I really do like it, and I'm so glad that I did pick that up. Another foundation, this is an oldie but goodie, you guys. This foundation I always used to use, but I just stopped using it. But I saw it in the store and I was like, Karessa, you need to pick up another foundation. Why? I don't know. Like I said, I have a foundation problem. But this is the Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup Oil Free Foundation. This is great, you guys, especially if you're just starting out with makeup. I always suggest this to people, especially people of color, because number one, they have 1,000,001 shades that are in the store for our darker color, and it's a very reasonable price. Like, this is like $4 or $5, you guys. I have this in the color Cashmere. This is not my color. I'm not sure why I bought this in Cashmere. Maybe at the time my darker color wasn't in there. I'm not sure. But this one I also mixed with the CoverGirl Queen foundation to get my perfect shade. But I really like the finish of this foundation, you guys. It probably gets a lot of slack because it is so cheap. It's probably not the best products for your skin, and it does oxidize. But I like the oxidization, is that a word? I don't know, but I like it a lot. I really do. And oh, that's why I got a lighter color, because it does oxidize and my dark color actually gets darker than I am, which I don't mind, because the darker the berry, the sweeter juice, you know what I'm saying? But I got this one and it did not darken as much as I thought it would, but I still like it. I still will rock it. So yeah, this is definitely a current phase. My 2 foundations that I really have been going back and forth off of. My next current fave is another oldie but goodie. This is something I've had in my makeup desk here, my vanity, for quite some time. This is the e.l.f. High Definition Powder. This is their translucent powder in the color white. Now, I know everybody is coming out with translucent powders these days, and I definitely have other options that I can use. But for some reason, I don't know, I picked this up one day again, and I put this on, and I put it on very lightly. I like to use a brush, something like maybe not this, because this is a little too dense. A dense brush, but it's still fluffy, you get what I'm saying? I like to apply this. I put it all over my face actually today, and then I just do not bake with this. Immediately take it off, and it really helped me with the shine that I've been having going on lately. Well, not lately, because my next product that's on my favorite list have really helped my skin. And if you watch my previous video, it's a chit chat, get rid of me. If you don't want to watch the whole thing, which I think you should, you know, just to get to know your girl, I used it there. These freaking fruit flies, y'all. It's summer, I'm trying to buy these fruit. Well, it's spring, and here comes the freaking fruit flies. It's so disrespectful. But anyways, I have been adding this product right here, which is no stranger to anybody. Oh my god, do not leak on me. It's apple cider vinegar, you guys. Sorry, my lights are a little harsh, but it's Bragg's Organic Raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. I actually bought this because a subscriber on my vlog channel, I'm having like horrible sinus congestion this year, a lot of sinus infections and stuff like that, and she suggested doing apple cider vinegar. I've done apple cider vinegar in the past for weight loss, and I really enjoyed it, so I was like, yeah, let me just go back to taking an ACV shot. And then for some reason I was like, you know, people put ACV like when they do clay masks, and my problem was my skin has been very oily lately, and I cannot figure out why. And my skin is only oily when there's something making it oily, you know what I'm saying? I have normal skin. So I decided to add it to my witch hazel. So if you may see, this is not really clear because this is witch hazel, and I put maybe you guys, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. I don't know, I don't remember. This is the color, you know, I didn't overdo it. It's basically, you can smell the product slightly, but it's not overdoing that. So basically it's 3 parts witch hazel and 1 part apple cider vinegar, and I just been taking a cotton swab and going over my face with it. I do it when I first wake up, and I do it when I go to bed. I do have a whole skincare routine, and I do need to film an updated one for you guys, but this is what all I've been doing. I've done it for a week and a half straight, and my skin looks freaking awesome. Like I said, check out my latest video, makeup video, so you can see how my skin looks without the makeup, and I am very impressed. I'm very impressed. Definitely check that out. So my next current fave is this bad boy right here. This is so, first of all, this is so cute. I love little things like this. But this is a little trimmer that I got from Dollar Tree, you guys. My light is so harsh, and I don't feel like moving the lights. This is, like I said, it was $1 from Dollar Tree, and it doesn't come with the battery. It takes 1 AA battery. Yeah, 1 AA battery, and I just got like a Dollar Tree battery in there. I saw this on a lot of like Dollar Tree videos, and then I saw some people say that it wasn't good. Well, I only saw one person said it wasn't good. I didn't see anybody else review it. She was like, you had to press down hard. That was not the case with me. I have done the hair on my arm with this. It comes off so easily. I do not have to press down at all. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, can you see the hair on there? Like, the hair comes off. I love this thing. I've used it for my face. I use it for my arms. I've used it for my personal area. It's very gentle. It works very well. I do recommend that you keep the little brush that comes with it, because the hair does get stuck on there, and you either have to pull it off like this or brush it off. Like, but I like to use it on these little sideburns here. Y'all see that? Hair right off. Like, my edges grow. My edges don't grow, but my freaking sideburns, oh my gosh, they grow so freaking quick, y'all. And I love it on there. So you can see the difference from this one to this one. Definitely, if you can find this again. I have not seen another one, and I'm so mad. I'm like, I should have bought more than one, but I let someone else's opinion, you know, hold me back from even trying this product. So I'm glad I did. I absolutely love it. So moving back into makeup, I have a few more products here. This is the CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer in the color bronze, ebony bronze. This is the darkest one they have. I went through hell and high water to find this product because I wanted to use it to bronze up my face. Unfortunately, it is not dark enough for me. I still do apply it along my perimeter and stuff too, you know, just because, but honestly, I do not see it. But why this is in my favorites, you guys, because this freaking color on my freaking eyelid, oh my gosh. And I honestly, I feel, oh, I'm so mad because I don't feel like it shows up very well on camera, but y'all, this color on my eyelid, I fell back in love with makeup when I put this color on my eyelid. Like, it is so beautiful. So if you have this and it's not dark enough for your bronzer, you guys, I have been using this as my everyday look besides the red lip. This is my everyday look right here, and it's just been putting this all over my eyelid, and that's it, you guys. Oh my gosh, I was so mad about buying this product, and when I tell you I went through hell and high water to find this product, but now I found a reason to use it. So always try to use your products on other things that are not necessarily what they're for, such as this right here. This bad boy is the LA Colors bronzer. They call this a bronzer. It's in the color bronze, and it says a single blush. This is my highlighter, you guys. This is my magic highlighter. If you've been rocking with me, I've been on YouTube now for several years, and this has been my bae. This is the $1 highlighter that I always bragged about, you guys, and I never could find this again. And I went in Dollar Tree like last month, and I saw this and I nearly fainted. And I was like, Karessa, nope, it might not be the same color. Do you see my highlight? Do you see my $1 highlight? Do you see it? I love this because this is such a subtle highlight. You know what I'm saying? It ain't blinging, it ain't blasting your face. This is so pretty, you guys. It goes on so smooth. It is not caked up. It's not glittery. It's $1. You guys can go get them because I already bought 4 of them, so I'm set. I'm set for life. I absolutely love that freaking blush highlighter, whatever you want to call it. That's what I use it for. So my last favorite here is on my phone. I'm gonna pull it up. If you follow me on my social media networks, which you should, especially my Instagram and my Snapchat is where I am at the most. So when you don't see me on here and you want to just check out your girl life on an everyday basis, follow me on those. But I mentioned this on my Instagram stories, and this is on the Bible app here. Most people have the Bible app, you know. We don't really carry Bibles anymore. But this is called YouVersion. It's from YouVersion. That's the name of the Bible app here. But I love this. I have been trying to work on my time that I've been spending with the Lord. And you guys here, if you can see that, it shows you my streak. I'm up to 150 days in a row opening this freaking app, reading my scripture, and 21 perfect weeks in a row. But normally I just come on, read my scripture, and go about my business. But lately I've been doing a plan. The plan that I have been doing is called How to Maximize Your Life. It's a 31-day plan, and I'm on day 28. So I am almost done. I already read it for today. This is what I do before I do anything in the morning. That is what I've been doing for the past 2 weeks. Because I've been like trying to do this, but I'm like, you know what, Karessa, you need to give God that time when you first wake up, before you open emails, get stressed out by business, before you go on Facebook and see some foolishness. Let's have some time with the Lord. I have really enjoyed this. This one is my hill song. It's called How to Maximize Your Life. Definitely check this plan out. I really, like I said, I really enjoyed it, and it's coming to an end, and I can't wait to find another one to check out. It has been a blessing to my soul. So I think that is it. Looking around, yeah, I believe that is it, you guys. It's all the things that I have currently have been loving for pretty much maybe the April and May. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I definitely hope you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Remember to follow me on all social media networks. If you have any questions about any of these products or anything you just like to talk to your girl, because I do comment back, then definitely leave me a comment down below. Until next time, it's been your girl, MissRessaT. Don't forget to live, learn, record, and then share, y'all. Smooches!